Tired of bulky gear and wasted money? These 10 AliExpress camping gems are actual game changers that will upgrade your outdoor experience without breaking the bank. Let's dive into the list. Imagine being stranded with only a muddy pond in sight. This 750 milliliter water filter bottle is your literal lifesaver. It uses a high-performance straw that filters out contaminants instantly, turning questionable outdoor water into safe, drinkable liquid. It's perfect for emergencies or long hikes where carrying heavy gallons isn't an option. The build is rugged, and the filter lasts for hundreds of liters. Don't gamble with your health when you can have laboratory-grade purification right in your hands. It's a survival essential that actually delivers on its promise for every hiker. Next up is this 3-in-1 solar camping lantern. This isn't just a light, it's a high-powered flashlight and a power bank for your dead phone. It features a built-in magnet so you can snap it onto your car hood for repairs or hang it inside your tent. Since it's solar-powered, you'll never worry about batteries again during long trips. It's rechargeable via USB too. The brightness is incredible for such a portable unit, making it the ultimate multi-tool for lighting up your campsite while keeping your devices charged. Stop sitting on damp logs and cold rocks. This Cocoon folding stool is made from high-strength aluminum alloy and fits right in the side pocket of your backpack. It's incredibly lightweight, yet surprisingly sturdy enough to hold a full-grown adult. Whether you're waiting for a fish to bite or just needing a break on the trail, this mini chair sets up in seconds. It's the perfect furniture upgrade for minimalist campers who refuse to sacrifice comfort. Once you try it, you'll never go on a picnic without it again. Every survival kit needs a heavy-duty tool that can do it all. This multifunctional garden shovel is a shovel, pickaxe, and hoe all rolled into one. It's built for the wild, whether you're digging a fire pit, clearing a path, or securing your tent stakes in hard ground. The folding design makes it compact enough to fit into any survival bag without adding bulk. It's made of high-quality steel that won't bend or break under pressure. Honestly, for this price, the durability and versatility are absolutely unmatched on AliExpress. Forget those exhausting manual pumps that take forever. This mini electric air inflator is small enough to fit in your palm, but powerful enough to hit 100 psi. It's rechargeable via Type-C and works perfectly for bike tires, sports balls, or even emergency car tire top-ups. Just set it and let it do the work while you relax. It's a total game changer for long-distance cyclists or campers who hate carrying bulky gear. It's fast, efficient, and fits right in your pocket. No more sweat, just perfectly inflated tires every single time. If you're looking to cut weight from your pack, you need titanium. This Tea Artisan cookware set includes a pot and a frying pan with folding handles that nest together perfectly. Titanium is famous for being as strong as steel, but way lighter, and it doesn't leave a metallic taste in your food. It heats up incredibly fast, saving you fuel during long trips. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or frying up a morning meal, this set is a dream to use and even easier to clean. It's premium gear at an AliExpress price point. Staying clean in the wilderness used to be a struggle, but the FlexTail Tiny Shower changes everything. This IPX7 waterproof electric pump turns any bucket of water into a high-pressure shower. It's rechargeable, compact, and provides a steady flow that's perfect for washing off salt, mud, or even cleaning your camping gear. It's an absolute luxury for multi-day trips where a real shower isn't available. The battery lasts through several uses, making it a must-have for van lifers, hikers, and beachgoers who want to stay fresh while exploring the great outdoors. Stop fighting with matches and gas lighters that die in the wind. This electric arc lighter uses plasma technology to create a heat source that is 100% windproof. The long, flexible neck allows you to reach deep into stoves or under logs without burning your fingers. It's completely flameless and rechargeable via USB, so you never have to buy butane again. Whether it's a storm or a breezy night, this lighter works every time. It's the most reliable way to start your campfire or stove, and the build quality feels premium and sturdy. Say goodbye to sleepless nights on the hard ground. This double inflatable mattress is extra wide, making it perfect for couples or anyone who likes to stretch out. Despite its size, it's ultralight and folds down into a tiny bag. The internal structure provides excellent support for your back, feeling more like a real bed than a camping mat. It's also perfect for car camping or road trips. It inflates quickly and keeps you elevated from the cold earth. If you want to actually enjoy your sleep in the wild, this mattress is your best bet. Last but not least, the Thousand Winds Hana Blaze wood stove is a masterpiece of outdoor engineering. This ultralight stove folds completely flat, making it a breeze to carry on long treks. Once assembled, which takes less than a minute, it provides a stable and efficient fire pit for cooking or staying warm. It's designed to maximize airflow, so your wood burns cleaner and longer. It's the perfect companion for winter camping or minimalist adventures, where you want the ambiance of a real fire without the weight of traditional heavy gear. It's truly a functional work of art. All links to these incredible gadgets are in the description or bio. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic gear reviews. Catch you in the next one.